Prepare to excel in the O-Level English 1123 exam this October. Mohammed Qasim, M.Phil in Applied Linguistics, brings years of teaching experience and exceptional skills to guide you to success. In just 1 month, students will master essential exam strategies, practice with past papers, and take mock tests tailored to mirror the real exam. Participants gain access to exclusive study materials, receive detailed feedback on their writing, and utilize resources designed to ensure they are fully prepared. Mohammed Qasim's focused practice and personalized support create a clear path to success. With limited seats available, now is the time to enroll at Ahmad Online Academy. Let this be the step toward achieving your academic goals. Don't miss out. Sign up today and get ready to ace the exam.